Good day, guys. Welcome to our YouTube channel. It's another weekend for our weekly analysis where we talk about what we expect of the market the previous week and what actually comes to fruition and what we're watching for the coming week. Today's date is 10th of the month of August, and today's analysis will be how I'll be watching the market from the 11th of August 2025 till 15th of August 2025. So without wasting much of our time, let's start with our dollar index, which is our bellwether. There's our baseline. So last week we were interested in the level 98,500. So expecting the market price to found to react to 98,500. Now 98,500 has been taken on dollar index, but personally I'm expecting the market price to not to go below 97,500 for now. The market price should stay above 97,500 here. So the market price should stay above 97,500. So the coming week I'll be watching the level 98,500 and 99 big figure. So I'll be watching 98,500, 97,500 should serve as a support to the price that will take us into 98,500 and 99 big figure underline this. So let's go to our cable, which is GBP USD. What is happening on GBP USD? So I was expecting, as of last week, I was expecting the market price to react to 1.33 thousand. So 1.33 thousand has been met. 1.33 thousand has been met. Now, with the present condition of the market, how do I decide? This is how I will decide. I'll be expecting the market price to found itself and should trade, let me put it that way, should trade below 1.35 big figure. That's 1.35 thousand. 1.35 thousand. So I'm expecting the market price to found a resistance around this blue shaded area. So I'm expecting the market price to found a resistance around this blue shaded area. So I'll be watching 1.35 thousand to hold the price. So I'll be thinking of the resistance around 1.35 thousand. So then a possible movement back into this yellow area. Then let's go to our fiber, which is our Euro USD. On Euro USD last week, I was interested in the market price finding its resistance around 1.16500, and we should be able to see 1.14 thousand and 1.135 or so. So 1.14 thousand was taken fine. 1.145 was taken, but the coming week I'm watching a resistance. The level 1.16 thousand has been breached. 1.16 thousand, 1.16, 1.165 has been breached, but the market price was unable to cross it. So The coming week I'll be expecting a resistance around 1.17 thousand, 1.17 thousand, and then yes, I'm watching 1.17 thousand as a what, a kind of resistance. I have some things down here. Yes, so I'll be watching it for a resistance. So I will only change my narrative when this high is taken. Then we take this high as well. So I don't think we should go that far. But my resistance point is 1.17500. That will take us back into around 1.15 thousand or thereabouts. Yes, I'll be watching the coming week. US 500, which is our S&P 500. S&P 500. And S&P 500, I was watching what's it called, 6200. So 6200 was taken. 6200 was taken on S&P 500, and the market price starts retracting. So the market price was, we've seen the market price rally high. So in the coming week, I'll be expecting, are we visiting 6450? Are we visiting 6450? And yeah, are we taking this high? Are we taking this high? So I'm interested in the market price visiting that high. Yes, 6450. 6450, and the level 6300 should serve 6300k, 6250 should serve as a support to the price. 6250 should serve as a support to the price. Then we go to our Dow futures. What am I watching on Dow futures? On Dow future the coming week, I'm still interested in the market price staying below 4500. So the market price should stay below 4500 for at least for a while. So I'll be watching the market price gravitating towards 4500, but shouldn't take it out the coming week. Should not take it out the coming week. So then Nasdaq. So the coming week, I'm interested in the market price gravitating and taking out this high. So if we should see Nasdaq takes 24,000, gravitating towards 24,000. So that is it. So we're making another high, all-time high, if I'm not mistaken. So if you can take this high, it's the lowest hanging fruit. The lowest hanging fruit is 23,709. At least if we should give us 23,800, 23,800. 73,709 is the lowest hanging fruit. So if it blows above that, then you are going higher. But if the level 24,000 serve as a resistance to the price, then we are coming back down. Now to gold. I said as long as gold stays above is the consequent encroachment of this candle of this blue line, then I will be interested in the level in this high and this high. So the coming week, the lowest hanging fruit should be 34, should be 34, 34.39. That's 34.40. So this high is the lowest hanging fruit, and this high here. So let me vote for 34.50. So go towards 34.50, 3400, 3400 and 34.50. Yeah. Am I right? Is it 3400, 34.50, 3400 and 34.50? Yes, let me put it that way. These has crossed 3400 as well already. So 34.50. Now to the last but not the least, which is our BTC. The analysis on BTC remains the same thing. As of last week, I was interested in the market price visiting, I think, 111,000 and 110,000. So how do I put it? I said if the market price stays above 115,000, then we should be able to see another 120,000 coming in play. So if the level 115,000 happens to be resistance to the price, then we should see 110,000. So that means I'll be sticking to the previous week's bias. So thank you for coming this far with us. This will be all for today. At this junction, I'll be calling it a day. So a quick disclaimer before I leave: I am not a licensed financial advisor. The fact that I put my money behind it does not mean you should do the same thing. Trading the foreign exchange market comes with a lot of risk, and you should know and recognize your risk appetite before venturing into forex trading. Unlike what the social media portray, the forex industry is never a get rich quick scheme, but it is a must get rich as long as you stick and learn. So thank you once again. Really love and appreciate you. Do have a lovely week ahead. Bye for now.